Welcome to my channel, The Crazy Glam Planner, and this week we are doing a free printable that I created called Hollywood Divas, and it is for the week of July 18th through 24th, and I have created my own dashboard style printable, and that's what I'm going to be using this week. This is for the big size, but I've created these stickers that should fit in the classic Erin Condren size, Happy Planner size, that kind of thing. They're not exact fits, but they're not meant to be. They're meant for you to be creative and not just stick in a square. Expand out. If you like just sticking in a square like that, then play around on your printer to get the right size. I do not have the measurements for you. I am so sorry. So it's Hollywood Divas, and this is actually the weekly challenge for the Happy Planners tips and tricks. And I'm not a part of I'm a part of the group, but I'm not a moderator, but I'll go ahead and link it down below because it's just a really fun group. We'll also of course link my own Facebook group, and that is where you can receive this free printable. And yes, I am bribing you. You have to be a member of my group to get the free printable. So I guess maybe it's not totally free. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put down the days of the weeks. I did go ahead and print the numbers. Sometimes I put the numbers on my days of the week stickers. Sometimes I don't even use days of the week stickers. Okay, and I'm going to fast forward through this part. I'm pretty sure everyone should know how to put stickers over their days. If not, you saw me do Monday because I'm going to cut that part out. See you in a bit. Okay, and I'm back. I have the days of the weeks on there. And I have a lot of popcorn this week, and part of that is that I have braces and I am missing popcorn, and I am frustrated because if you watched last week's video, it was supposed to be debraced on Wednesday. I was not. Instead, I got put in elastics to straighten up the midline. So that is a little frustrating. Okay, I'm trying to think what I've got going on. Okay, so I have created some B12 shot stickers. I give myself B12 injections, and I'm going to make those a little smaller next time I print them out. And what I've done here, these are just stickers that I either need to back plan for the last couple of days, or I'm setting up for the next week. I use a little pocket, well, not even a pocket, it's a little journal, bullet journal style that I use. And I do that one daily because those are more for my daily tasks that come up. So I've kind of pre-planned. I know I need to go to Target. I know I'm going to H-E-B. These are stickers actually in toasted yolk. We did that today, so I'm going to back plan in it. And I know I'm going to have to do car wash next week. I make the, I take, like, this is my car wash. I take their logos and create my own stickers in it, so I can put in my planner where I'm going and what I need done. So that's what's going on there. Okay, so here I am going to use a little washi up here at the top. Let's do a couple layers. I really wanted some like old movie reel washi, but I didn't have any in my, excuse me, I didn't have any in my stash. So I'm just going to put it here. I really am not sure from the feel of it. I want to say this is a Recollections tape, but I could be wrong. So for movie favorites, putting that up here because I think I want to, let's go ahead and make a list of our favorite movies for that's happening right now. Can we go classic ones or current ones? Okay, and I hope this is showing up. No matter where you run, you end up running into yourself. And be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. I just loved those. Okay, I put that B12 down here, and I really need to put the weekend down first. Let's see if I can pull that up without tearing the paper. This paper is a 32-pound paper. I do need some undo. That I get off Amazon. I really don't know the brand. But it's not totally matte. It's got a slight little sheen to it. Okay, so what I just did there, this is undo. I get it from Amazon, and that will dry in a minute, and it just lifts off the sticker amazingly without hurting the paper or the sticker. In just a moment, I'll be able to stick right over where I took it off, and my sticker still sticks. Okay, I think that's dry enough. And I actually learned about Undo from Planning with Bumble. Have you seen her craft room? Oh my gosh. If you're not following Planning with Bumble, why not? And her new craft room is amazing. Goals. Absolute goals. So here, put Hollywood down here. I know, weekend. But I'm going to move the weekend up here. Because originally I'd wanted this on the other side, but I have plans over there. Alright, so let's put a little Marilyn Monroe here on Monday. And I don't really think I have much going on Monday. But plans change, so. And I always, what I try to do is if I don't have anything there, I try to put something good that happened or a little quote or something. Okay, I am going to put down the to-do for Saturday, because I always have something, and it's usually filming these videos, and Sundays as well. Yeah, that's going to cut into that Hollywood a little bit, but I think that'll be okay, except I got it crooked. Let's just hope I can pull that up, because that is one thing about this paper. When it's down, nope, when it's down, it's down. Okay, and then Friday, yeah, we're just gonna kind of decorate, because I just don't really have a whole lot right now, and that's kind of good, because this past week was a busy one. So this week is pretty much just making my week look pretty, and things do come up during the week where I end up doing more than I expected I would be doing. Friday, and like if I don't have anything, I'll put in there that I did my facial, I did my nails, I finished watching or started watching something on Netflix. Okay, so we're gonna come down here. Okay, so I made some washi, popcorn washi, and this cuts off. Now if you download it just as the JPEG and not the Silhouette Studio, I did leave the gray cut line, so you can do one big piece or you can cut these off. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that down here. And I have a couple of papers I want to incorporate. Okay, I call this Sephora paper, but I know it's not. This is from the Wild and Free, the Paper Studios. No idea when I got it. Paper Studio, Hobby Lobby. This is Target Dollar Spot. Well, wasn't $1, and it is just it's craft paper, so it's thick with some gold on there. So I thought that would be cute, and I want to do some layering, and I have a We Are Memory Keeper punch, and my little dot just came off. Okay, my back dot, I'm missing a dot too. Okay. So let me see here. I don't use this that often. I do want it a little bigger than what was on there. And often I pre-do these. So let's see. Come in here, and I may just go ahead and fast forward through this spot. Alright, I have those punched out. Let me move this out of the way here. And I am going to use this movie reel, and this should fit in a sidebar of your classics, and I did put some lines in there. They printed out a little darker than what I meant to. I like just a faint line so I kind of know what's going on. And these I wanted to do a little layering, so let's see how we want it. So right now I'm just kind of playing around, seeing what's going to be the best way for them. Like that there. Alright, I'm just going to use some tape here. I get this from Amazon. I used to get it at Hobby Lobby, but they stopped the coupons, so I stopped buying it from Hobby Lobby. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I almost caught that. That was upside down lips, and that would not have been fun. Okay, I'm going to leave that for the moment because I have plans down here that I want to do. Okay, so this side is where I usually use what just needs to be done during the week, not necessarily a set day. I also put my social media stuff on there. Okay, and so like I said, I have a thing for popcorn right now. I'm going to jump over here real quick and grab this July. And this is just an old date book from Hobby Lobby. They do not make this one. Come on, 2017, I think when it came out. There's for July. So that's taken care of. And I thought about doing some flowers, but I think I'm gonna refrain this time. Okay, this is Planner Basics, and it has some popcorn on there that I want to do. Okay, so I thought I would do the popcorn that I had printed, that I printed out. Kind of throw that down in here. The movie theater popcorn machine, you know, going all over the place. And I cannot wait. I told my husband that after I get debraced and my teeth are no longer sore, because it's an experience to get them debraced. So I've been told that it could be pretty sore. Those are just too cute. Let's do another one over here. Maybe one more. No, I don't like that because I don't see how they're both going together. I don't like that quite so much. So let's turn that one around. There we go. And let's just layer the popcorn. I know, I'm a little obsessive, but dang. I have been pushing 800 days now of no popcorn. And since I really don't have a heavy week, planning week, I think this will work. Don't like that one there. And if I was doing this, say, in a horizontal or vertical, I would have done like popcorn in the middle. I don't like doing that with the dashboard because I feel like it gets into my days and can cover my weeks if I'm not careful. I know I need to cover up that tear. I just wanted a different one than what was there. I really wanted it to look like there's just popcorn just flying all over the place. I think I've done a good job on that one. Alright, so do I want some popcorn up here? Yeah, let's put some popcorn up here. I mean, come on, it's popping up underneath there. It's going all over. Okay, and I'm going to leave the rest of the... Oh, there is no individual popcorn left. I've used all that. Alright, so I'm going to put my name down there. And I do this for other printables that I get too, not just the ones that I make. I don't want the little Facebook thing on there on mine. I like to put where I got the free printable. Okay. Oh, I do not like how that cut. Okay. Okay, and this was Hollywood Divas. So I got that. So I'm going to use these for my other little planner. let me take a look, get everything out, take a look real quick and see if everything's going to be good for the week. Let's see how that went. Sorry, that got a little messy, didn't it? Covering it all up. Okay, and I think I'm going to use this in my, these in my little, I call it my pocket planner, even though it's not a pocket planner. It's the one I carry with me to work in my purse and stuff, and put things down, ideas that pop in my head. Okay, I think here we go. This is the theme this week was movies that I picked for the Happy Planning Tips and Tricks Challenge group. And so I created this printable, Hollywood Divas. Here you go. Please thumb this up, ring that bell, and stop by my Facebook group and grab a free printable or two. There's just a few up there. It's still what I call a baby group. I'm growing, but I am trying to upload a free printable at least once a week. And next week, I have a bookmark for August with a calendar on it for you, and it's only for the members of my Facebook group. So please leave a comment below, like this, share this if you enjoyed it. If there is something that you do not like about my videos, go ahead and let me know. Be nice about it, though. There's constructive criticism, so I can fix it if I feel it needs fixable. And what? Have a wonderful week. You have an assignment. What are your favorite movies? They can be classics, they can be new ones. Have a wonderful week. If you're in the northern hemisphere, stay hydrated, stay cool. If you're in the southern hemisphere, I don't want to hear it. We're burning up here. Y'all have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.